Okay, I got over to this side, but it's impossible to turn around. And look, but I just wanted to show you this. And I'm not sure where that goes to. The question is, does it have anything to do with this? And by the way, I'm not really sure how close these things have to be, but there's what appears to be grass in here. It's some sort of green debris. I don't know what it is. And it doesn't go all the way down, but what made me think this wire or tube here that goes down and down here and goes up and goes that way. That ends like this. Is that too short? Does it need to be pulled up? What's this? Why is it there? Are we dripping from there because of that? And what is this wire, and why is this cramped so far together? Is that normal? And then what the hell is this? I don't know. But I'm gonna feel with my finger and to get over just with one leg. That's the best I can do without fucking up this thing here. No water. All right. I'm gonna look, see, that connects there. This, I just wish I knew what it went to, that wire. While I'm up here, let's get a better look as to what the hell is going on back here. How is this connected? Now I got questions about her. You see, and there's tape. Seems secure. No, I don't know what that is. And then this. What the hell is this? That comes from all the way over there. Oh, look at that. And what does this connect to? Is this normal? What is all this?